Hi everyone, welcome to the new episode of LP Insights, and in this video I'll be talking about how to get your patent registered in India. So before going into the registration part as such, I would like to just briefly explain to you as to what a patent is, or rather what can be patented. So if you are an inventor and you want to have such exclusive right over the invention, then the first step you need to do is to get your patent registered. Now, patent is an intellectual property, and if you have invented something new which involves some new technique or which involves a new method, then such things can be patented, and you will have an exclusive right over the invention. Exclusive right by I mean that you have the right to use, or you have the right to sell, or you only have the right to assign it to somebody else. So a patent owner basically gets these rights. So this is what a patent is. And now moving on to what can be patented. Now patent something which you have invented, if that includes a process, or if that includes any techniques, or if that includes if it is a machine, then such things can be applied for a patent in India. Now moving to the patent application process, there are basically two kinds of patent application in India, and one is the provisional application and the other is the complete specification application. So if you are at the beginning stage of your invention and you need to protect, or you need to have a priority date, then a provisional application can be filed where you won't be required to give the complete specification of the product or the process. Now, India being a country where the first to file system is being adopted, you have the exclusive right over the invention if from the date of application of the provisional application. Now, next is the complete specification application. If you have completed the invention, and then in such cases you can also file a complete specification application directly. Now, the time frame between a provisional application and a complete specification application is 12 months. So if you have filed the provisional application, then within 12 months of filing the provisional application, you will have to file a complete specification application. Now here the important point to keep in mind is that if you are filing a provisional application, so if you go by the simple process of patent office, it will take around 18 months of calculated period from the first date of application and to get your patent published. Now, once your patent gets published after the complete specification application is being filed, the next stage will be the examination stage, which under the normal process will be 48 months. So before the expiry of this 48 months, you will be required to file a request for examination. Now, if you're not filing this request for examination, in such case, the registry won't examine your request. Once the examination of your application is completed, the examiner might come up with certain objections or clarifications. Now, once they issue such objection or such examination report, you will be required to reply or respond to these examination reports. Now, only if you respond to these report, the examination or the examiner will take up your application for further process. Once this is submitted, the registry, once the examination reply is being submitted, the registry will re-examine your application with the new amendments or with your clarifications which you have made. Now, if the registry is not satisfied with the response you have filed, the registry will again issue an examination report, or they will post the matter for a hearing. Once the hearing is being done and the examiner is satisfied with your submissions and your invention, then the patent will be granted. Once a patent is granted, then the same will be published in the patent journal. Now, another important point which you must be aware about while applying for a patent registration is that once your patent gets granted, then every year, starting from the second year of filing your provisional application, you will have to renew your application. So this renewal process starts only once your patent application gets registered. So once your patent application gets registered, then starting from the second year of your application, you will have to file renewal request. The term of a patent will be 20 years. So this renewal has to be done every year until this 20 years. So this is the registration process in general. Now, some of the important tips which I would like to give you for registering your patent is that first, you will hire an attorney for or an agent, patent agent, that would make it easy for you to apply your patent applications. Now, another important thing is that complying with the objections or responses, you will need the help of an attorney, or the attorneys would be rather more familiar with the office processes. So hiring an agent or an attorney will surely help you for registering your patent.